Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn images into videos with Hailuo AI. This is a useful feature when you already have an image and want to add movement, animation, and cinematic motion to it. First, open Hailuo AI on your computer and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, find the Image to Video option and open the Video Creation tool. Now, upload the image you want to animate. Try to use a clear, high-quality image with a well-defined subject. Once the image has been uploaded, Hailuo AI will use it as the starting point for your video. Next, you'll need to describe the movement you want. This is where your prompt becomes important. Tell Hailuo AI what should move and how you want the scene to look. For example, if you upload a picture of a person standing in a city, you could write, "The person slowly walks forward while the camera smoothly moves backward. Gentle wind moves the clothing." Realistic facial movement, cinematic lighting, and a natural city background. After writing your prompt, review it carefully. Try to focus mainly on motion and camera movement rather than completely changing the original image. Now start the generation process and wait for Hailuo AI to create your video. When the result is ready, preview it from beginning to end. Check whether the person, objects, and background remain consistent throughout the video. Also look at the movement, camera motion, lighting, and overall realism. If the animation doesn't look the way you expected, modify your prompt. You can try simpler movements, such as slow camera zooms, gentle head movement, walking, wind effects, or subtle environmental motion. Once you're satisfied with the result, use the available save or download option to keep